The construction tolerances allowed by AS 3850 call up a total stack or tolerance stack of 20 millimeters. So the construction environment actually allows for ferrules to be up to 20 millimeters out of location, correct location. Now what we've done here, in this particular case, we've deliberately misplaced one of the ferrules. So whilst we had a specified value between ferrules, we've offset one of the ferrules in this direction by 20 millimeters. And what we want to demonstrate, if we just show this as a bit of a guide in terms of where everything is, we can see that with this ferrule centrally located, our ferrule over here is 20 mil offset. How do we deal with this in application? So one of the ways that has been typically adopted to correct for misplaced ferrules is to blow out holes, that is either blow out new holes or elongate existing holes with oxyacetylene torches, or we can come in and simply say we're going to do a weld plate and have some welding done instead of in addition to the ferrules. This is a problem in terms of if you don't have those trades on site, you're going to need to have a callback to get those trades, the hot work trades, back in to do that work. Additionally, we're going to need hot work permits and appropriate JSAs, etc. So in order to avoid that as a solution, I'd like to present to you another solution for ferrules that are out of position. Now this particular solution is especially valuable where you have a continuous run of connections. So if you had panel to panel to panel connections where we have a ferrule or two on this panel, the next adjacent panel will have another two ferrules, etc. The stack up of tolerances within the panel and then between panels could readily be the 20 millimeters allowance. In order to address that stack up, I'll introduce you to OrbiPlate, ramsetreid OrbiPlate. So the OrbiPlate is made up of our fixture plate, now in this particular case just a short plate with 70 millimeter diameter holes pre-cut. If that was a raker angle connecting the top of panels, adjacent panels, concrete wall panels, 70 millimeter diameter hole. We have a large toothed washer, so toothed around the back of the washer to cooperate with your fixture plate, and then toothed on the front to cooperate with a smaller toothed washer. Now what we have here, and it's given away a little bit by the name, OrbiPlate. This slotted interface gives us an orbit about the center, and then the toothed smaller washer is able to cooperate about that slot to align with the position of the bolt hole. Taking the OrbiPlate bolt, M20 by 50 gal bolt in this case, we can come down through into the first ferrule, and then importantly here we see that we've got our misplaced ferrule, which is 20 millimeters displaced this way. So take our OrbiPlate, chop it in, align the slot in the direction of the misalignment so that we've got it to line up. Drop our top washer over, aligned with the insert below, the elephant foot insert below, and torque it up. So we have a very versatile, simple, quick, no hot work permit solution for addressing misplaced ferrules. Obviously, once we've got those in place and we're happy with the alignment of our fixture plate, apply the appropriate installation torque to the assembly. There's our first one. And then install torque on second one. And that's our OrbiPlate connection done.